Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook album shareable. Now, I know what it's like if you create an album and you want to share it with as many people as you can. Say you want to email a link to it to somebody that might not have access to Facebook, or you just want to share it publicly with everybody. I'm going to walk you through steps to get that album shareable. Now, let's open up the Facebook app here. I'm going to tap menu at the very bottom right, and then I'm going to tap on my profile icon at the top left. Now I can scroll down until I find photos there on the left, and I'll tap on photos. And at the top right here is albums. I'll tap on that. Now I'm going to just choose one of these random albums. And if I want to make this shareable, you can see at the top here is a little lock icon, so it's currently not shareable. But if I tap the three dots at the top right and tap Edit Album, what I can do is change it from only me over to public, which means anyone on or off Facebook can see this and share this album. Then just hit Done and Save. And now anyone can tap that little share button right there, and you can share it with people within Facebook, outside of Facebook, email, text message, anything you want. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.